The chilling effect, criminal charges against climate activists spark concerns. 5 members of Letzte Generation, Germany's counterpart to Just Stop Oil, face charges of forming a criminal organization, raising alarm among civil rights advocates who warn that this move could effectively criminalize future support for the climate movement. Mirjam Herman, 27, Henning Jeschke, 22, Edmund Schultz, 60, Lucas Popp, 25, and Jacob Bayer, 30, have been charged under Section 129 of the German Criminal Code, reportedly the first time this law has been applied to a non-violent protest group. Prosecutors in Brandenburg allege that the charges stem from over a dozen attacks perpetrated by the group between April 2022 and May 2023, targeting oil refineries, the Berlin-Brandenburg Airport, and the Museum Barberini in Potsdam. These incidents included attempts to shut down oil pumping stations, block airport runways, and throw mashed potatoes at a Monet oil painting. The prosecution claims that the charges apply specifically to a subgroup within Letzte Generation, which has led to thousands of arrests nationwide over the past 2 years. They assert that the group's members agreed with other members of this subgroup to commit crimes together over a long period of time, forming an association intended to pursue an overarching common interest. However, the activists maintain that their protests were open, accountable, and non-violent, challenging the application of such a draconian law against them. Herman expressed concern that this charge sets a dangerous precedent for democracy and the right to peaceful protest, criminalizing constitutional rights simply because civil disobedience was involved. She emphasized that the charge is typically reserved for mafia and organized crime, and its application to Letzte Generation effectively criminalizes any support for the group, fostering a chilling effect on climate activism throughout Germany. The charges follow a 2-year investigation involving dawn raids on supporters' homes, phone wiretaps, and even the seizure of the organization's website. Amnesty International Germany warns that a guilty verdict for any of the defendants could lead to the proscription of Letzte Generation, criminalizing any activity related to its promotion or support, be it financial, logistical, political, legal, or media-related. Paula Zimmermann, an expert on freedom of expression and assembly at Amnesty International Germany, condemned the escalating criminalization of climate protest in Germany. She argued that paragraph 129 of the Criminal Code, designed to combat organized crime, is being misused to suppress nonviolent protest, curtailing civic engagement and democratic freedoms. She further stressed that criminalizing unpopular protest undermines freedom of expression and assembly, which are fundamental rights enshrined in German law and international human rights conventions. Amnesty International Germany expressed its concern and urged the criminal justice system to uphold these freedoms in its decisions. Meanwhile, prosecutors in Munich and Flensburg are reportedly conducting similar investigations into other members of Letzte Generation, raising further concerns within the climate activism community about the potential impact on their ability to advocate for urgent action on climate change.